Hi, welcome to Fair RC. I'm Quinn with Quinn's RC, and today I'm going to tell you my top 5 favorite features on the FMS FCX10 K5 Blazer. It's a beautiful truck with great performance. If you think I get the features in the wrong order, or there's something that should have been in the top 5 that wasn't, let us know in the comments below. If you want to pick one of these beauties up for yourself, there's a link in the description below. Let's get started.
Number 5, the 2-speed transmission.
Nice low speed is great, but sometimes, like in this situation, you've got slick rock at the bottom and gravel at the top, and you just need to switch it into second gear, try again, and head off into the distance.
Number 4, low speed modulation.
Low speed modulation is just terrific on this truck. This is a very steep climb that we're seeing here. You can see we can go nice and slow. If we do happen to get to a place where we get a little bit of wheel slip, we can just give a little more throttle and up we'll go in a nice and controlled manner. Super sweet.
Number 3, locking diffs.
Here we have both front and rear diffs unlocked. You can see a little slip there, but I'll bring it up to a little more obvious spot. Here you can see the left front tire is not getting any power, so I lock the front diff. Now both wheels will get power and it climbs over that easily. But now we have the rear diff in the same predicament. The right rear is not getting any traction, so the left gets no power. If I lock the rear diff on the transmitter like this, now all the diffs are locked, all 4 wheels get power, and this climb goes from difficult to easy peasy. I love it.
Number 2, licensed body.
There's so much to love about the body on this. It's licensed by Chevy. There are so many details: chrome bumper, chrome grille, molded front marker lights, molded windshield wipers, side mirrors, door handle, Blazer logo, rear tail lights, rear tailgate handle, rear bumper. I'm sure I've left something out, but it just results in a very detailed, beautiful body.
And number 1, dig.
Now here, I'm wanting to swing around this rock, but it's downhill, the front tires don't bite, and the car just doesn't turn fast enough to get around. Now, if we use the dig feature and lock the rear wheels, we can swing the front end almost on a pivot. Unlock the rear wheels and then make the climb up the hill. Works like a charm. I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said before, if you have any other opinions about the top 5, let us know in the comments below. There's also a link in the description to pick one of these up. Finally starting to get this thing a little bit dirty. I really like this truck. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.